take a draw. Wow. Hey. All right. Let's take one more. So I have some sea moss here. This is the thin one. Really fine sea moss. And this came from Jamaican waters. We have a lot of this one as well. And I like it. I really love it for making salad. It has a really nice punchy taste to it. You feel like you're biting into something really crunchy. But all of the sea moss is crunchy when you eat it raw. But I like the texture of this one, especially for salad. This is some kelp noodles. This is another seaweed. And I think I mentioned kelp before. Kelp is one of the seaweeds that's in Ibis 5 sea punch. But this we're going to make salad with today. Right? I think I showed a picture before of a salad that I made when I went to Portland with this. This is wakame. It's dried wakame. So I'm gonna add water to it and then it's gonna swell, it's gonna rehydrate, and it's gonna look a lot more than this. Right, so this is it rehydrated. I think we could use some more, but it's alright. Can split it. So I'm gonna take it from here and add it here. See, it really doesn't take long for it to rehydrate. So you can see closely what wakame looks like when it's fresh from the sea. Hey, somebody saw my video of me catching water from here to cook. Let me tell you something. We hike come way up. There's nobody beyond here. Trust me. Nobody. It would have to be the indigenous people them that we didn't know were still here. It would have to be them. There's nobody up there. We hiked way up. Way, way, way up. Not only that, Ivo, this is a good story. It's a good story when he tells it, but he lived in the bush for 6 months by himself. And it was far, much farther than where we hiked to. So trust me, there's nobody behind us. Nobody. We wouldn't take those risks. We don't cook down where we see people living. We don't cook there. We don't bathe there. We don't bathe and eat anywhere. We don't go where we see big crowds either. Because I love our people, but we're not clean. So I have to be careful. You can't just go anywhere. Or drink. Not even just drink. Swim too. Swim too. And I always like to go to the river and go as high as I can go. But I don't know, since I'm with Ivo, it's like I think about it even more. You know, I never would have made the concerted effort before him to make sure. I would think about it and maybe say, it's okay. but I really like going above in the bush. You must see bush when I see nobody. That's where I like to go. So we got some purple scallion. And this is a quick and easy salad. There is nothing to it. It's so simple. No cooking time, which is what I love about raw food. No cooking time. It's prep and then eat. Naibo? Huh? What? I don't understand when you talk like to me speak Japanese, sir. I mean, I speak Japanese.
I'm saying, yes, it is. Soda, yeah.
I'm gonna use some sesame oil. I'm using all of that. I love sesame oil, so would take more. I love the flavor of sesame oil. My favorite oil to use is coconut oil, sesame oil, and olive oil. Those are the ones you use, so you don't use the other oil. Those three needles. The other oil, them don't really have no flavor. Unless it's lucky one them. And then those flavors don't last long. You have to use it up very fast. Because it oxidizes. And a little bit of agave for a little sweetness. And I'm going to add, lastly, as usual, the cayenne pepper. Should I put a little lime juice in it? Maybe. Three of them is good. I think so because them pepper are hot. Them small, but they will make you cry for your mother. Hot. This is fresh cayenne pepper. I have some dried one too. I have dried cayenne pepper. Trying to cut it up as small as possible because trust me, even a little piece will give you a pinch. Not even a pinch, a stab. Look at this pepper is hot. And I eat Mark wines and eat it like a cherry, you know. A little salt. Oh, I'm gonna add a little lime. Should I put it before this in the cup? Catch me slipping. Then pepper is hot, man. But good. I like it. I love the flavor. I'm hungry and tired.
One of the easy ones today.
Listen, I realize that this is not an easy journey. It's not an easy journey. And I don't think the road ahead is going to be very easy either. You know what I mean? It's going to come with challenge.
You better take them on.
Huh?
You better take them on.
Yeah, of
Challenge.
course. Because you know what the end result is going to be.
Challenge make you be abnormal.
Huh?
Challenges make you be abnormal, you know?
Yes,
And
it's
solve
true.
them.
It's true. If you know how to use challenge, man, it can really power you. You have to know how to deal with it. Somebody commented on my video the other day. I was expressing how much, you know, today I feel happy and I'm content with a lot of things in my life. Whether or not there are some things that happened that I didn't like, I'm happy for them because them really strengthen me and make me be able to appreciate the good things. This person comments on my page about you're naive. Life is full of challenges and nothing bad hasn't happened to you yet. That's why you're able to speak in that type of naive way. Somebody say you sound like your hopes and me be unhappy. But not gonna be that for you. Right? I said in my 41 years I've been through a lot. I've experienced a lot of things. Not everything was nice. Right? So I know about challenges and I know that life comes with challenge. You're not gonna live and be happy every day and everything is great every day. It's not gonna be so. You just have to know when it's hard, you have to try and be happy through it same way. Life is full of ups and downs. Everybody have some challenge to deal with. Right now my father is losing his sight. That shit is not easy for me. I can just imagine how him feels. But just to watch him, you know, just transform suddenly, he's just in a completely different state. It's hard to see. I have to, you know how much adjustment I have to make in my mind to be happy regardless of that. Can't make that get to me. I have to pick one, try to be happy for him too. Because I can't go around him and miserable and sad. I'm gonna make him miserable and sad. Right? I'm stirring, Ibo. I'm stirring. You want to come to it?
No? Watching.
You're watching.
Why the plastic bowl and give a take
It should have been a bigger bowl.
I said, why the plastic bowl and give
Which
a
plastic bowl?
You want the round one and you want to just bring it to them.
You never show me.
You see it, but you don't want to see it. But
So
you
you don't want a plastic bowl. Why you love buy plastic? You don't want a plastic. You want more oil. Me know say you want more oil, you know.
don't want to
You know what me I'm talking about.
Alright. I'm going to say, look, strong.
I want more. It's hard to mix it.
But the bowl is small.
Yes. Mom also want to put my hand in there. I just do
Not good for you too.
no, what happened is about YouTube, now me and you are eating. I'm not cooking for nobody but me and you.
You don't put the spice.
It's only you are spicing for. You and me.
You ready for it?
Huh?
Ready. Like a figure here. Not something to eat.
Huh?
Not eating.
What you say?
Not something to eat. Yes.
Just look at it.
Yes, it's in my hand.
So beautiful. Oh my gosh. You see me that make deep in my head. Say the people them notice everything we do, you know. Somebody comment. Somebody comment on the video of me cooking with eating on the river last time. You and your chopsticks. I laugh, I'm gonna do a laugh. I start eat with my hand. I hear what them say. But me eat with my hand sometimes. Because I want me eat. I actually love eating with my hands.